You've already met your ingredients of the day. This is my grandmother's recipe. She sent me an email. You are going to need graham crackers, crumbs, butter, quarter of a cup of sugar, cream cheese, cherries or any kind of fruit you want to put on top, icing sugar. You're going to need a bag, pan, here we go. It's what I'm talking about. Ta-da! Pan. You're also going to need 2 bowls. 1, 2 bowls. A beater, spatula. Okay, so in a bag, you're going to mix 1½ cups of ground wafer crumbs, a quarter cup of butter, and a quarter cup of sugar. But I'm doubling this recipe. Make sure your bag is sealed, and then when it's all sealed, mix the butter. Little bowl and dump it all in here, just because I don't think it's mixing well enough, which can happen. Not a big deal. When you think it's mixed thoroughly enough, just dump it into your pan. And you're just gonna spread out the crumbs all along the bottom so it looks even. Now you can do this step prior to your mixing of the crust ingredients, but if you don't want to, that's okay too. I generally do it after I'm done the crust because I know that in the time that it's going to take for the oven to heat up and for our crust to cook 10 minutes in the oven, we'll be done our filling. And you're going to want to whip 8 ounces of cream cheese. My oven's beeped, so it's time to put in the crust. Some icing sugar. Da-da-da. Got whip or cream cheese and icing sugar all over myself. You're going to need your whipped cream in a clean bowl. Now you're going to want ½ a pint of whipped cream. But for us, we're going to need 1 pint. Clean bowl, clean bitters, whipped cream in bowl, and start to whip. Now, some people like to tell me that adding a little bit of sugar is going to help. Now what you're going to do, it's very important. What you're going to do is fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese. Make sure your crust has been pulled out of the oven by this point. Here it is, my crust. So now that your crust has been chilled, you can put on the cheesecake. So now that the cheese is on, we will leave it, put it in the fridge for a few hours, and let it chill. Or you can add whatever fruit you decide you wanted onto the top. Yummy. It's very heavy though, so you're forewarned. Bye guys.